Okay, choose the plate size which you want to test now. Yeah, choose the side, double click. Okay, now it's ready to put the plates. Put the plate in the center position and click Node Film. Yeah, put the plate in the center position. Now the machine sucks the plates automatically. And see, first coming is the head clip. Yeah. And next coming is the tail clip. Yeah, they got it. Okay, use a knife to make a mark. This tail clip side. Make a mark, yeah. And here comes the head clip side. Make a mark too. Okay. After all this done, then we go into the workflow software and unload the film. Yeah. And then the plate coming out. We check the mark and we measure the mark to the edge. The distance between the mark and the edge should be 7 mm at least, 6 mm. Otherwise, the plate is going to fly. Okay, please do one more time based on this video. Okay.